Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your sensitivity in the game so you can make your own sensitivity better, aim better and move better according your own play style. So what you need to do is tap the setting button at the top of your screen. Tap, click this one, sensitivity. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. You can try it one by one using your own preference or your friend's preference, such as you can change the vertical turning sensitivity. I try 300. Let's see the difference. This is the only vertical, but not the horizontal. And also you can turn the other setting. Click sensitivity, back to default first, reset the setting. But if you want to some simple setting, you can use the overall adjustment, like this one. You can turn it on. As you can see, if you drag this, the other will follow. But you use your see, but use it on your own risk. I recommend to turn it off. Okay, give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.